handmade quilt block contains a lot of half-square triangle units. So what's the best way when you have to make a lot of them quickly and accurately? It's actually paper piecing. Today I'm going to show you how. You're going to need some triangle piecing paper. There are a lot of different options online if you Google it, but my personal favorite is called Thangles. And this is made with strips of fabric. The nice thing is that the strips are the same width as the finished piece you need. So get your two pieces of fabric and lay them right sides together. Add your paper on top and use a couple pins to hold it in place. Now just stitch on the marked stitch lines. Remove the pins and then carefully cut with the ruler and rotary cutter right on the cutting lines. Now you can open the half square triangles and press. Gently remove the paper from the backing and then you're done. Some methods will leave a dog ear. This can easily be trimmed with scissors. So what's so good about this method of making half square triangles? It's simple to stitch them accurately. You don't need to trim or square them up at the end. You can make a lot of them quickly. What's not so good about it? Paper is one-time use, so you'll need to buy or print more for your next set of triangles. It is time-consuming to remove all the papers too. So when would you want to use this method? Anytime you want to make a lot of half square triangles quickly and easily, this is a great choice. I give this method 5 out of 5 thimbles. For more tutorials, patterns, and inspiration, check out epidastudio.com.